What's up, guys? So quick little video covering an HP all-in-one that was giving my customer all kinds of blue screen errors. There was no restore points to go back to try to get her system up and running, and to make matters worse, it was not allowing her to do a clean install of Windows 10 or Windows 11. I went ahead and recorded the following process so you guys can see where it stops and gives the following error code. Now guys, before you run any kind of command prompts, always use the built-in diagnostic tools to see if it's any kind of hardware related issues regarding your RAM or your hard drive. That's exactly what we're about to do. Restarting the computer, hitting the escape key brings you to the startup menu. Hit F2 for the system diagnostics and run the memory test. This will take approximately 20 minutes to let it run its course, and at the end of results it will tell you whether your RAM passed or failed. If your memory module was bad and the test did fail, go ahead and replace it with the brand new one, and that should resolve your blue screen errors. Since I already had to disassemble to upgrade to an SSD, I'll go ahead and replace the bad memory module with the new one. I also provide another link in the description of this video of another YouTuber with the disassembly process of this particular all-in-one. Alright guys, and for the last and final part of this video tutorial, we're going to be transferring the data from the original hard drive that was in the HP All-in-One using a Sata adapter to connect to the hard drive, okay? Assuming that your hard drive is not damaged, it isn't making any kind of clicking noises or have any bad sectors, then you can read the data from the hard drive using one of these kind of adapters. The adapter I'll be using, it is an old school one. I've had it for many years, but I will put some links in the description of the video for all the newer generation ones in case anybody out there needs to order one. Now, once you connect your hard drive using the adapter to your computer, you're going to get a pop-up similar to what you see when you connect a USB flash drive. Now, if we go ahead and close out the box and go over to our File Explorer, go over to where it says This PC, you're going to see the secondary drive labeled Windows because it does have Windows installed if the hard drive is not damaged. Once you click on that specific drive with the Windows installed, go over to where it says Users. Choose whatever username you were using or the profile that you're trying to extract the data from. And from here, you can go ahead and navigate through any folder or subfolders in each category. So if you want to go to your desktop, your downloads, or any other files that you might be looking for, you can go ahead and open up whatever folder you're looking for and copy those over to your desktop, external drive, or a flash drive USB. Keep in mind, guys, that whenever you're navigating through the folders and subfolders of your user profile, it's going to be everything that you had on your hard drive or in your specific user account that you had prior. The only difference is that you're actually navigating externally versus actually in the system when you're booted into the Windows operating system. As you're navigating through the folders and subfolders, whatever data is important to you, if you want to drag and drop it over to your desktop, it will copy one specific item, or you can do an album at a time or multiple items at a time as well. Just keep in mind that it will take some time to process if it is big files. If it's something like 20 gigs, and it's going to take a while for it to actually copy and paste it over to your desktop, your USB, or your external drive. Now, if you plan on dropping the files back to the original computer that you were actually working on, then I would suggest connecting the adapter and the hard drive to that specific computer. That way you don't have to waste time recopying everything to an external drive and dropping it over to the new operating system on your new hard drive on the computer that you were working on. Now, depending on the hard drive that you're trying to recover the data from, whether it's an M.2 NVMe drive or a SATA drive, there are different types of enclosures, so make sure you got the correct one when you order, just to make sure that you can use it with your computer and your hard drive, okay? So the particular adapter that I am using does connect to a regular SSD or the old school mechanical drives, but it would not connect to an M.2 NVMe drive because I don't have that connector. Once you're completely done backing up or transferring all your data from the original hard drive, you're completely done and you can eject the adapter with the hard drive. If this video helped you guys out, man, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments if you have any issues, and I'll get back to everybody ASAP. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.